everyone, welcome back to my channel The Sarthak Show, where we discuss about tech, career, product and life. So in this special video series today I am going to experience more about my career part and product part mixed in one single video. I will be recently completing my 1 year at PhonePe as an APM. So that is the plan कि इस पूरी journey जो एक साल में मैंने learning सीखी है to compile that in this single video and I will share that all the details. If you are new to this channel, I hope आपको ये video काफी अच्छी लगे. And if you are old to this channel और आपने subscribe नहीं करा तो hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon so that you get notification for every time I put a new video. And without further ado, let's start with the video. So 1 year at PhonePe as an APM. So all the folks who are not aware, I am part of team P2P, which is peer-to-peer. Whenever you do a PhonePe transaction to your friend or family is part of P2P. I am part of that team. I take care of all those transactions. We are working aggressively in that direction. But this is more not about PhonePe, this is more about what was my journey. So I would say as an APM, I really enjoyed this place. मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा drastic learning मिली. This is the best company you can be because it's in that sweet spot. I would say pre-IPO company where it is very well funded. It has a good amount of engineers, developers and some of the systems that are in place. So it's not a very initial seed state or Series A funded startup. So startup culture का कुछ mix है. But although on the same side, since it's available at scale, it has deep rooted. It is 6 years. It has been in the industry. काफ़ी ज़्यादा चीज़ें MNC से borrowed हैं, MNC culture को mimic करती हैं. So there is a very good overlap of MNC and startup culture over here. तो मुझे दोनों का टेस्ट एक सिंगल कंपनी में मिला. What are the other things that I experienced? The team that I'm part of is the oldest team, kind of the oldest product or the first product of the PhonePe. So I was kind of working in 10 to 100 stage of product. But apparently whatever we're doing is still in 0 to 1 stage. Whatever we're building are from scratch. They have never been built on PhonePe. So वो पूरा learning था scratch से scalable solution build करना. The transaction numbers and the things that we are seeing are immense. मतलब I am getting surprised every day with the numbers that I see. What my team has done so far with ever reaching glorious numbers every day. On the product side of it, I got very good mentors. I was direct reporting SPM, Senior Product Manager, and a Product Director over here. So all of my learnings are directly coming from them. More of the discussions, we had some weekly discussions about how are we planning things, what are the things that I had to do, or what are the updates on the things that I have done so far. And that resulted into reaching out to different stakeholders from different teams, maybe design, analytics, devs, back-end, front-end, app side folks, engineering managers. It could be marketing folks, it could be legal folks, or any other, I would say, stakeholder. What part has been discussed in that product meeting has to was distributed into smaller tasks and had to be completed in the coming weeks. So that was the whole idea. So first 3 months were more into ramp up stage. I was more into that honeymoon period जहाँ पे कम load है, but it was more learning कि systems कैसे work करते हैं, fintech environment क्या होता है, UPI कैसे work करता है, payment system कैसे work करता है. Secondly, I was brought into smaller tasks that were more enhancement, bug fixes, small roadmaps, small features. Then I was given a big task, and by the completion of this first year, I was able to deliver one of the big major project. I'm keeping that secret for this video. You will have to follow me and stay tuned to my channel to know more about my upcoming product. I think by the time this video goes live, that product will be live and available for people. It's a very niche use case product, but हमारी generation के लिए जो video देख रहे हैं, mostly it would be relevant for them, and that is the whole idea where I was coming with a different sense of opinion. Also, a lot of learnings happened, a lot of different things that I learned theoretically was helpful in getting them applied in practical phase. कैसे fintech environment में आप वो चीज़ें जो आप सीखते हैं, आप पढ़ते हैं product management के बारे में, वो आप apply कर रहे थे. How to manage with different teams, how to manage that stress. But at the same time, I was having very good work-life balance. I was having good perks. After 5 months into the company, I joined the company at the location itself, so no more work from home. It was in work from office. So I meet my team and the team is amazing. Like I don't have good enough words for them. जितने भी team के members हैं, they are awesome as hell. They are very experienced. They are very capable. They are working day in day out to bring out amazing product. आपकी जितनी understanding है, they bring a whole new level to that. Whole new game has been there. They are very very capable and आप उनके surrounding में रह के काफी कुछ सीखते हो. They are also fun people. It's not like serious work. They are very fun people. It has been amazing journey क्योंकि उनके साथ आप chill करते हो, मतलब there are much needed चाय breaks उनके साथ करते हो, TT खेल सकते हैं, आप उनके साथ फूटबॉल खेलते हो, So this has been amazing part कि आप उनके साथ walk कर रहे जा रहे हैं, and the interaction have been very amazing with all of these folks from different teams, and that is one perk as a product manager कि आप बहुत सारी team से interact करते हो. It's not just engineering teams or it's not just design team or not analytics team, but आप सब team के साथ interact करते हो, so आपके सब team के साथ bonding है, and you get to experience multiple cultures at the same time. So जो भी team let's say HR team में होता है या design team में होते हैं, कुछ चीजें exclusive to them are also in a way have been passed on to you as a feedback or maybe something, so you also got to experience them. And I think as a perk you get to sit with a lot of different folks at the lunch table. So आज आप डिजाइन टीम के साथ बैठ सकते हो, कल आप इंजीनियरिंग टीम के साथ बैठ सकते हो, परसों आप दूसरे टीम के प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर्स के साथ बैठ सकते हो, एंड सो फोर्थ. तो a lot of different tables available for you. So बहुत अच्छा ऑफिस वर्किंग लोकेशन था. आई वॉज स्टार्टिंग विद 1 day or 2 day वीक. नाउ आई हैव स्टार्टेड गोइंग 3 days 4 days in a week. There was 1 week where I went to 5 days, obviously because I have to ship my product, and that was a very crucial week for me. Apart from that, काफ़ी ज़्यादा learnings मिली हैं in every space, in every field. What I could gather the information about the space, about this fintech environment and everything. So overall it has been an exponential curve. The learnings that I thought might be given to me has been given to me. मुझे एक independent charter मिला. I was able to handle that. मतलब I am still handling that. I grown up, like as the time moved on, I grown my charter in some way. जो कंफर्ट जोन था उसके बाहर निकलने का ट्राई किया. देयर वर माई प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर, लाइक सीनियर प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर एंड प्रोडक्ट डायरेक्टर, कीपिंग मी अकाउंटेबल फॉर द थिंग्स दैट आई एम हैंडलिंग. देयर वाज थिंग्स दैट लाइक some goof ups that I did as part of my learning stage, and I appreciate how they handle those situations and give me a right direction instead of just scolding me and giving me like blatant criticism. They gave me the right feedback, they gave me the right way to move ahead, how I could have avoided that situation or how could I have done better in that situation. There were some times where I very enjoyed the learning discussion. So ऐसे कुछ product discussions थे. My role was minimalistic because I was not handling over that direct product, or that product was not a very direct interaction with my current set of products. I enjoyed the discussion because इसमें engineering folks का learning discuss करते हो, how they are thinking of a solution, how they move from point A to point B, what are the different paths they explore, what are the pros and cons they set, what are the edge cases they have in mind, and you get to put your perspective, you get to listen their perspective. So sitting at the larger table, discussing with senior folks, there was like product design directors, I would say analytics directors. You were discussing the feedback insights with them or design things with them, and getting to know their learnings, getting to know their perception about things is very helpful. So all in all, at PhonePe I enjoyed my 1 year. It has been good so far. This 1 year is still like about to close. It's not perfectly closed, so I don't have my increment numbers or my if fingers crossed, if there is any promotion. I don't have that in anything right now, so I don't have any new information to disclose on that, but will be soon making that video as soon as that I get to experience that thing. Apparently when I left ZS, it was just right before the appraisal number has been disclosed in my 11th and a half month, so I was not aware of that number. So this is going to be my first appraisal at a full-time job, obviously. So very much excited for that, very much excited to be part of the organization for the second year. What are the things that we are bringing, and hope to get more experience in the product management, the drastic learnings and shapings that are about to happen, and also excited to meet new fellow APMs that are about to join PhonePe. So that is my journey for 1 year. I hope आपको ये काफ़ी अच्छी लगी होगी. Feel free to ask your doubts in the comment section below, whatever you have doubts about product management, APMs, PhonePe or anything else. If that is in my purview, I will be able to help you answer that. If not, I will try to bring some guest who is amazing and awesome, who will be able to help in answer your question. So आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा, लाइक करें, शेयर करें अपने दोस्तों के साथ who are interested in this field and who are looking forward to join PhonePe or maybe join a product management company, join company as a product manager. So, and I hope आपका भी first year, if you are in that company, if you are in some company, have been very successful, very good. And I will try to bring more such amazing videos. Till then, take care. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.